Welcome to iCumulus. In this tutorial, we'll go over some of the basic functionality of the My Orders grid. Focusing on how to navigate the grid, using the search functions, editing orders, and how to access the tracking information on dispatched orders. The My Orders grid is a very powerful part of iCumulus. It contains all the interactions you have with the orders over the whole system. To get to the My Orders grid, we will need to click on My Orders under the My Orders heading. Alternatively, you can access it via the dashboard by clicking Bulk Orders and either picking a saved filter and clicking on the Applied Select button, or just by clicking on the No Filter button. Once we are here, we must apply a filter to see any orders. If we click on the Apply button for the date filter, it will show all orders for affiliates that you have access to. If we scroll down to the results, you have the option to change the amount of results that are on one page. Additionally, we can navigate between pages using the page numbers and navigation arrows. If we wish to narrow down the results that are being displayed to help us find either a specific order or a certain type of order, the most simple filters we can use to narrow down our search are the date filter and the affiliate filter. These are both at the top of the page. When we pick an affiliate from the affiliate filter, it will only display orders owned by that affiliate. If we decided to filter by either order date, last updated, or date dispatched, it will only display the orders that have either been dispatched, updated, or ordered within the date range we set. If we want to narrow the search down further, we can use the Advanced Search feature. We will have to expand the Advanced Search portion of the page. Once we do this, we can gain access to more filters for each part of the orders we are searching. Let's create a filter for a state for now. You will be filtering all your orders so that we can only see the orders for Victoria. Once the filter is set up, press the search button and the results will be filtered. The only orders that will be displayed are those for Victoria. Notice that when we set the advanced filter, a state column will be added to each order. Let's add another filter for a suburb, and we will make it for Melbourne. Notice that when you added another filter, we also get another drop-down box that says AND. By changing this drop-down box and the Where drop-down box, we can change how we are using the current filters. Say instead of searching for orders that are both in Victoria and in Melbourne, you can search for orders in Victoria that are not in Melbourne by setting Not instead of Where. If we were to put it into words, it will read, find all results where they are both in Victoria and not in Melbourne. The AND in the filter is used for when we want results to contain the same data. But if you want to see results of a couple of different states, you want to look for orders from both Victoria and New South Wales, you will have to use the All filter. If you use AND, you will be looking for orders that are in Victoria and New South Wales at once. Instead, by using the All filter, we will be looking for orders that are either Victoria or in New South Wales. Now we have a couple of filters, but what if we don't want one? To remove a filter, we can just click the red X button next to the plus sign that we used to add a filter. Now that we have set up the filters, we can now save it so we can come back to the same sorts of results at another time. To save our current filters, we will enter a name for them into the text box and click the Save button. Afterwards, we will be able to see our saved filters in the list.